here is a practical with the help of which we can measure the distance of any 2 points which are at certain distance. So the practical is about to find out the vertical distance between the 2 points with the help of sextant. So sextant is a apparatus with the help of which we can measure the vertical distance, horizontal distance, inaccessible height of any tower also. So here in the apparatus I am having sextant and a stand upon which this sextant will be hanged, a measuring tape which will measure the distance between the 2 points, also the distance between the sextant and one point from which I am going to take the measurement. A plumb line is there which will balance that instrument. So here in the picture I have shown the sextant. So there are the scale, L is the scale, okay, T is the telescope, X, Y are the points, vertical points which I am going to measure. Beta, this is the stand, sextant stand. A lamp stand is there upon which sextant is hanged. This is the sextant. And here are the scales of the sextant. These are the mirrors with the help of which I can clear the image of that points. Okay. And here is the half mirror and half glass. The 2 points which I am going to measure, that will be on that point, okay. So lowest point and upper point, that will be the vertical distance. So here is also another distance, that is stand to that wall, that will be the D. D is the distance from this stand, from this sextant to that wall. So here this is the telescope. Eyepiece, we will notice the clarity of that image at this point. Okay, so this is the telescope. Here is the glass with the help of which clarity will be there. If you want to clear the blurriness of that image, you can use this kind of lenses also. So this is the scale, one scale is there on the sextant. So this is known as main scale, okay. This is the main scale and this is the circular scale. Here for the vertical distance I will use this scale. Now this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale, or that you can say point through which I can coincide the main scale reading and get the value. So theta 1 and theta 2 are the points for the lowest point and for the upper point. So here 10 is the value, main scale, and 20 is the value. But the coinciding point is this one. So obviously it is at the 11, 12, 13, 14 is the theta 1 value. And here on the circular scale is 0 value. So minutes are 0 and the main scale reading is 14. So 14 degree is 1 value. Okay. Similarly, I can go ahead with the second one value, upper one value. So this was the lowest value. From this point, I can watch that image. Okay. Lowest point and upper point. So this is the main scale reading and this is the vernier scale reading. Okay. On the instrument, I am having this glass also, it will reflect back. So when I trace the point's image, so that point passing from this mirror, from this glass, it will be at this point, and from this point it will again reflect back at this point, and after that image will be clear at this point. So this is how sextant will operate. Main scale, vernier scale, circular scale. Circular scale is for the clarity of the image, okay. And this is scale which will give the value of the main scale theta 1. So 2 points will be there, lowest and uppermost point. Lowest point will be theta 1 and uppermost point will be theta 2. Whole the readings I can take at this point. Here is the observation table. D is the distance between the sextant and the image which I am going to measure. So on the wall, I have marked the 2 points, lowest point and uppermost point. So the distance between the wall and the sextant is D. Theta 1 is the measurement of the lowest point. Theta 2 is the measurement of the uppermost point on the wall. So vertical distance means distance between the 2 points will be theta 1 minus theta 2. And the vertical distance formula here with the help of sextant I am having, that is D tan theta. D is the distance between the sextant and wall. Theta is the distance between the 2 points on the wall. Tan theta I will take from the log table, and D is the distance between the wall and that point. So this is how we can measure the vertical distance with the help of sextant. Thank you.